Hey there, fantastic viewers. A big thumbs up to you for choosing this video amidst the vast digital expanse. Get ready to embark on a journey of knowledge and creativity with Fixit. Buckle up as we delve into the exciting realm of DIY expertise. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the secrets behind crafting something truly amazing. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just stepping into the world of creativity, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss a single moment of the Fixit magic. Our channel is your go-to destination for enlightening tutorials. Today, we will talk about how to fix Instagram page unresponsive error. So the first step is to check if you have a stable internet connection. I am currently using my mobile network, which has optimal speed. But if you are using Wi-Fi, then try switching to a better and stronger network, or try reconfiguring the existing network. If the problem is still there, then what you can do is go to your search browser.